In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve common battery issues you may be experiencing on your HP tablet or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So this tutorial doesn't really fix batteries in the sense that batteries do degrade over time and they will need to be replaced. They have a finite life period, especially the more you use a laptop or tablet device. But there's a couple of things you can try and hopefully in order to increase your battery life, and that would be to open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters, and then scrolling down underneath the find and fix other problems category, there should be a power item to find and fix problems of your computer's power settings to conserve power and extend battery life. Go ahead and select that and then run the troubleshooter and give us a moment. And if there's any recommendations, it should make it. Otherwise, you can view the details and see different suggestions and other issues that could be potentially causing a reduction in battery life unnecessarily. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.